Hey, let me show you how easily you can pair your Sony Ult Wear headphones with any Windows PC. In this case, I'm using Windows 11, the HP laptop, but it also works for the Windows 10. So first of all, you have to grab your headphones and you have to actually find the left one. And on the left one, you can find this button. So all you have to do is just to click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking quickly with the blue, like this. Now when you release this button, it will start blinking, and now we are in the pairing mode. So next we have to just go into our PC and we have to open Start, go into the settings. Now we have to go into the left side, but in my case it's actually working so slow, so you have to just wait to go into the Bluetooth and the devices on the left side. Then click on the switcher on the right side to turn on the Bluetooth on your PC, and then click to add a device. Now from this, select your Bluetooth device, and as you can see from this, we can find the two notifications. We've got the quick pairing notification, so you can quickly click on it and you will be connected. But if for some reason you don't have this notification, you can just click on this on the list with the left mouse button for sure. And as you can see, now we are successfully connected. There we go. And additionally, I can recommend you to go into the system settings, move into the sound settings, and from this just be sure that your output is switched to the headphones, and the same for the input. As you can see from this, we have to make the manual change. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe.